In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to upload audio to Suno AI. So let's get started. So just simply need to navigate here into the Create section on the left menu. And in here, you can choose between a simple and custom. What you want is the custom method, which is right here. Click on that, and now you'd have the audio option right here to upload as a reference for creating your song here in Suno AI. You can click here on audio and click on upload. From here, you can now choose the song that you'd want to upload or the MP3 file. So basically, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on that, click on open, and it will now be uploaded once I agree to the terms. So make sure that you understand this. Click on agree to terms, and now you can go and select the range of the song that you would want to use. So let's say that I would want just this one actually is good. I'm going to click here on save. And now it's uploading the clip. And you could also make something with the audio that you have uploaded. You can make a cover, extend it, or save it to your library, depending on which one you'd want. And basically, while it's uploading, you can just click here and continue and just wait for it to be uploaded. And yeah, once it's uploaded, it will now be added in here. And you can see here song details updated successfully. And you can also see it right here. And that's how you can upload audio to Suno AI.